Road,
oh my God.
Road is a river.
We're gonna drown. Oh my God, I can't see anything. Oh my God.
Oh,
Get away with your fucking car.
it's actually easier to see on the camera screen, I think.
And through my window screen, that's great. What is that? They're all going this way. We're gonna be fine.
Just another big river.
Yes.
Don't change gears in the water. Do not change gears in the water.
Oh, you have such a good car.
But I mean, just don't put the clutch in. Woohoo!
I love it. Awesome. Awesome.
At this river.
That was just awesome. Nice to the right car.
I'm so glad I came out for a swim.
Oh, here again. Oh, fuck me. It's just starting again. Oh, it's starting again.
Just pick a gear and stay in it and go.
I have my I have my aircon on the.
Put it up to warm.
It's so funny. I'm watching through that little hole
Has
here.
never been turned up to 26 degrees.
I can drive like that. It's actually quite convenient. But it's like an old grandma.
Look at all the hail by the road. Looks like snow.
Oh yeah. Euro! We are back home.
Just like home.
Oh, now we
Actually,
are.
it's a bit more extreme than home.
Just a bit. It's like, look at it. Now we have dust as well. It's like, oh my God.
Australia is just full of surprises.
You would like a coffee or something before we're going home? Like, so let's drop you first and then I go to Nova.
It's like a winter wonderland.
Look at that shit. So, we're going to our home
what happened
now.
to the trees?
Oh, fuck me. Yes. That's for you. Going this way.
Poor schoolboy.
Yes.
Oh, the lightning and stuff.
Yes.
Knocked over.
Just right. That's actually a stop sign. Oops.
It's like a different place.
Yes.
Where all the leaves come from?
It looks like an American thunderstorm thing.
I hope there's not a big hole in our roof now when we get off.
It's good for kids though. Go.
Another big lake. Last splash before home.